Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel Srilekha Akash. Today in this video I'm just going to share a gift box. This is a kind of gift box which you can gift for a girl baby. This is a jewelry making kit. I bought this in Foam Bargains shop for 5.99 pounds, and this is how it looks like. And they have given a paper here. You can make use of this for recreating some of those bracelets or necklace, whichever you want. I have posted some more videos, especially if you have been wondering what to gift for a girl baby, then you can make use of that video. I will be giving that video's link in description box. Even if you have time, please check that videos too. So here we go. They have given some of the beads, different kinds of beads with different colors, and this is a string, elastic string, which is very good quality, and some of those threads actually, and even this one is 2 1 elastic thread with different colors, and you can make bracelets out of these two, and even necklace. This is a heart shaped beads. This is a glass bead actually. So this box contains different kinds of beads. This is a closed cap. It has everything actually. It has everything. If you're looking forward for a perfect jewelry making kit box, then this one is going to be the best. I felt like affordable because which you can buy offline, and they have everything in this. You can make earring, you can make necklace, you can make bracelet. They have everything out in this box. So I thought of buying this for about a long time now, but I was thinking about the cost. Usually this is around 6 pounds, right? So I was like, okay, if I can find something affordable than this, then I can go for that, right? So I was waiting for some time, but later I just realized that this one has everything. Even you can see these are all like Barbie pendants which were looking amazing. So I thought of investing in this because nowadays, even in last video of mine, I would have mentioned that I was obsessed with making bracelets nowadays. So this one is going to be the best for me. So I thought of buying this. Then finally, I got this box from Home Bargains shop, which is very close to my home. So this box contains everything. See, even they have given alphabets. That particular packet has A to Z, one set of A to Z. So this is the best box, I personally feel like. So this is all about this box, and I thought of showing the pendants inside this box. Let me just show you all some of the pendants, like which was these are all the pendants which were given inside this box. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, catch you all in the next video. Bye.